Place this ball of aluminum foil in your home and cockroaches will disappear immediately. And when you find out what we've put inside, you'll be surprised. This simple homemade trick will eliminate all cockroaches from your home in no time. To begin with, we'll need aluminum foil. We'll use a single piece, cut it, and set it aside. Now we need a container. We'll add sugar, which will attract cockroaches, as we know they're easily drawn to sugary substances. Add 5 tablespoons. It's no wonder so many cockroaches appear in your kitchen, drawn by sweet foods. Next, we'll need toothpaste. It can be any type you have at home, regardless of the brand, white or colored. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of toothpaste. To finish, we'll use lemon. Actually, what we need is the peel. Use a grater to grate the lemon peel directly into the mixture. Mix thoroughly until it forms a paste. Once it reaches this consistency, it's ready. Place the mixture in the center of the aluminum foil piece we previously cut. Then, shape it into a ball. If you prefer, you can also use orange peel. It works just as well. In this case, I'm using lemon peel, as it has a very strong and concentrated aroma. The citrus smell repels insects. Cockroaches can't stand the strong scent of lemon, which is why it's useful around the house. I'll cut another piece of aluminum foil to wrap around the ball again and reinforce it. This formula is extremely effective. It's been proven that the presence of cockroaches and ants increases due to sugar residues on floors and furniture. Now, using a toothpick, make several small holes all around the ball. With just these 3 ingredients, you'll protect your home from these unwanted pests. After all, no one likes having cockroaches and ants roaming around the house. Once it's ready, simply place it in strategic spots, especially where you often see cockroaches. I like to place them near the kitchen to keep pests away overnight. A good spot is near doorways, as cockroaches often enter through them, especially into the living room and kitchen. Also place them inside cupboards, drawers, and pantries. Cockroaches, ants, and even some types of spiders will definitely disappear from your home. We can get rid of cockroaches thanks to the toothpaste, which contains substances that irritate them. Try this at home. You'll love the results. This simple and affordable tip may be the natural solution you've been looking for to keep your home free of cockroaches, ants, and even spiders, without using harsh chemical products. Give this homemade mixture a try today. That's it for today's video. Share it with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you in the next video.